such an honor to be back here in this sacred space. If you don't know me, I'm Elizabeth Monroy, and I'm the author of The Infinite Human, an Ascension Guide. I have it right here. And also The Infinite Human Talk Show. And I love A.S.M.R. So I've been getting so many requests from you to come back, and with my camera, it takes a lot of time, and I've been so busy creating a new planet that I haven't had time. But I wanted to take this sacred cyberspace to create a very healing video. Because I've been using A.S.M.R to fall asleep, and I've noticed there's not a whole lot of really Ascension stuff, because this is a very powerful time that we live in. So I want to get you nice and relaxed with lots of tingles, because the truth is, we are all just stories in the mind of God. We are the infinite source knowing itself, and that is the truth. And we play different parts, and sometimes we pit ourselves against ourselves, to the angelics against the fallen angelics, the good guys against the bad guys. But the truth is, we are all one, and now we are returning in the great reset to divine infinite source now. So it's time to let go of that anger. Let go of those wounds. Let go of that victimization, and begin to rewrite your life story. You have been living a story. You've been living a story of being a victim, victimization, a story of tragedy, a story of pleasing others, a story of looking outside yourself for answers, a story of following the butts of spiritual teachers, preachers, speakers, leaders. It's time to turn inward. The true kingdom of heaven is within you, within, and to love yourself, love. And I'm just going to take a moment to clear away, okay? I'm going to use this beautiful instrument. I'm going to just clear away some of that that's been bothering you. Isn't this gorgeous? Okay, I'm down here. I'm going to clear it around you for a minute. Okay, clearing. And we're using the cellulite end to clear away. We're cutting all the cords. Cutting. Let's put this up a little bit. Sorry. Okay, here we go. I can work with you better this way. Okay. Here we are. Clearing, cutting. Clearing, cutting. Cutting the cords of all the past, of all the people who have hurt you. Forgive them. Of the family members that haven't treated you properly. Of all your partners, lovers, significant others who have abandoned you, and not just in this lifetime, this may be in the past, who have hurt you, disrespected you. The Krystos avatar, the Krystos being that you are truly, the authentic you will return to your divine infinite state of being. visionary of the new consciousness renaissance. And that's what we teach here at the Infinite Human University for visionaries, 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 visionaries of the new consciousness, 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 renaissance, renaissance, renaissance. You are a visionary of the new consciousness renaissance. What vision will you create as a healed, whole, holy, infinite, divine, infinite human? Thank you. Hello, I'm Elizabeth Monroy. I'm the author of the book, The Infinite Human. I am also the host of the talk show, the Infinite Human Talk Show on the Voice American Empowerment Channel. And today I am speaking to you as the director of the Infinite, everything infinite, Human University for visionaries of the new consciousness renaissance. And we have some wonderful courses lined up. The whole mission of this university is to help you learn about yourself. There's so much information since the beginning and end of the false timelines about external things, and everyone at a click of a button can learn about the external world, but you are infinite. You are a vast library within inside yourself with the ability to surf the infinite, the cosmic Wi-Fi, as David Icke refers to it. So this university is all about you, totally focused on you. Yes, and you and your expression on the planet, okay? So it's learning about who you are, first of all. The first course is about rewriting your life story. Because many of us who've been in this fallen, finite earth have been victimized, and we have been running victim software. And we've experienced a lot of problems every time we've tried to reach out and be our authentic selves and express ourselves and make an impact. But that has changed. Everything has changed. It's a wonderful time to be alive, but we're still running these old programs in our mind. So the first thing we have to do is to look at how in our life story, or I call it the hero or heroine's journey, we are still holding on to those beliefs. And it's a wonderful, fun course where we use the wonderful architecture of the mythic hero's journey that Joseph Campbell so eloquently expressed in his many books. And I used for many years in my film school in Florence, Italy, for students to create short films about themselves. So this is a wonderful course where you go in and we would go into the Uffizi, but you find art and images around you that express how you are, these archetypes that are inside of you. The hero at the beginning of the journey, filled with fear, filled with dark and light, filled with wonderful buried treasures that they don't know how to access. The second part is finding your shadow self, and what are these dark, deep, repressed feelings and emotions that have kept you shut away from really expressing your true self, which have kept you in the closet, so to speak, of expressing the creativity and uniqueness that lies within you like buried treasure. And then you find your mentor self, who is that part of you, that Krystos avatar part of you that can lead you and guide you and help you along your journey. And finally we find the hero or heroine at the end of the journey, having accomplished all that they've sought and having obtained that elixir of life at hand, the reward of wisdom. the reward which they can now share with their tribe. So that's the first course, rewriting your life purpose. And then we move into finding out what your soul mission is. Rewriting your life story. Then we move into finding out what your soul mission is. The reason you came here. And it's very, very layered, and there's so many aspects to it. But we get you started on the road so you can begin to recognize the signs and symbols that are guiding you into the highest and fullest expression of your unique gifts and talents. Unique to you, as unique as your thumbprint. And then we move on to many different ways of helping you learn to express yourself, to express your creativity through art, through painting, through film, through writing. And then we help you learn to co-create with others so you can bring your unique expression like a wonderful note in the symphony, so you can build it with other people in a completely, from the soul, basically. It'll be coming together and us relearning or remembering how to come together as infinite beings, all honoring that truth frequency and that resonance and that information that we are downloading from divine source within us, infinite source within us, and to see how that comes together with others in this beautiful dance of creation. And we will be doing this, not just creating, say, films and movies and performance art and artistic, works of art, but also communities, co-creating beautiful New Earth eco communities. So, and many of these courses will be taught in these communities, or also as we travel about the planet, going to sacred pilgrimages, which I also do with Infinite Human Tours. So there's a whole lot of wonderful things in store, and if you're interested in one of these classes or in a pilgrimage, which we do both on site. If you come on the tours, we do these on site, and but if you can't, we do offer things online. So I hope that helps you, and if you have any questions, feel free to go to my website, www.infinitehuman.com, send me an email at infinitehumanproductions.com, or a message, and I'm all my social media outlets are there too. So thank you so much. It's wonderful to start this wonderful adventure with you.